citizens of Bangalore raising their voice for what is our right. Our right is education, and that is what has got us here so far. That is what the marginalized folk of this country need. That is why we're here. As you can see, there's all kinds of backgrounds and social locations in this protest, and we're all united in telling the government, listen to our voice. We are citizens of this country just as much as the people who you are listening to otherwise, right? We all have a right to education, to dignity. Karnataka is a plural state. We are the land of Basavanna and everything that he stood for, right? And what legacy are we leaving our children if we can't stand up for this? What is happening in the name of religion, in the name of ideology is wrong, and the government needs to listen.
More than 100 women, LGBTQIA people and trans people gathered to march from the railway station to Freedom Park on Saturday afternoon. The women-led march seeks to share solidarities with Muslim women across Karnataka, upholding the constitution and asserting women's right to dignity, education and autonomy. The march was organized by concerned women in Bangalore in context of the growing harassment, discrimination and violence on Muslim women and communities in Karnataka. Students, teachers, social workers, writers, artists and various people from different walks of life participated in the walk. Songs of solidarity and resistance were sung.
Our demands are very simple. We basically just want all students to be allowed to go to school as a matter of right, and we are demanding that today, in today's environment when COVID has already hit education so severely, that all students should be allowed to go and get their education from schools. So all of the women over here are united on that front. We are from different organizations, from different walks of life, and all of us agree that there is no reason to deny anybody education on a marker of religion. Of course, the decision is pending in the High Court. In the pendency, we are voicing our concern of the denial of education to Muslim women especially, and the harassment that they're facing at the hands of the state and the media.